Once again, the 0-2 pitch. Ground ball back toward the middle. Utley's got it. Bare hands, throws to first, and the Philadelphia Phillies have won their 5th straight National League East crown. Who would have thought back in 2007 that the run would last this long? But they certainly know how to celebrate here in Philadelphia. 5 straight NL East championships. And what a play by Chase Utley to put the finishing touches on this celebration. It is an emotional yet composed celebration that's going on right now on the